Hello my friends and welcome back to my device again. If you wanna create a new Apple ID and verify your email address and see this error or checkbox on your iTunes, it means this method not longer works. Recently, a large number of users who use Apple products have been encountering an error when trying to create an Apple ID. I don't know what's happening within the Apple company, but this is the most basic thing for someone who buys and uses Apple products. They need an Apple ID. When you face this error, you wonder what's happening at Apple or what their policies are that they can't solve such a simple and fundamental issue, so that users don't encounter such problem for a simple need. So I tried to find an alternative solution for those who currently can't create an Apple ID, and I hope it will be useful to you. Actually, in this method, I try to create an Apple ID using Apple products like iPhone. It takes around 1 or 2 minutes more, but this method works. So if you wanna learn how to create an Apple ID, please do not forget that first of all, subscribe my channel, give me more energy, and just follow this video. First of all, go to your phone and your setting, and if you have Apple ID, sign out it, and if you do not have, go to your sign into your iPhone. Now select don't have an Apple ID or forgot it, create an Apple ID and go to your next step. Fill your first name and last name and your birthday. Touch continue. Now in this step, set your email address, which is your Apple ID. So pay attention. Guys, you can set any mail server such as Yahoo, Google, or another one. Again, touch continue. Now set your password and verify it. And pay attention, the password must be at least 8 characters, including a number, uppercase letter and lowercase letter, and continue. Next step, you will see your number as you can see, but use a different number. In this step, guys, pay attention, we have an important point. If you have your personal number, it's okay, you can type it. But if you do not have personal number, type a telephone number or home number. Do not use random mobile number if you do not have personal number. Actually, you can search on the internet and use random phone number for it. It's so easy. After type your telephone number or your home number, touch continue and go to next step. Next step, we will choose didn't get a verification code, verify later, and continue. Now select agree for terms and conditions. Please wait and type your device passcode. Now here's the time to verify your email address. So go to your mailbox and verify your email. Now you must see verify email from Apple in your inbox. So open the email and get the verify now link. Now enter your password and you will get a verification code from Apple. So screenshot it and after that type the verification code. Touch the continue and you can see our email address or Apple ID is verified. And finally, the last step, go to your App Store and download an app. Actually, it's not important which app, just download an app for random. For example, I choose TikTok. After just start to download and enter your passcode, you will see the review page. So touch the review and go to next step. Select your Apple ID location and turn on agree to terms and conditions. Now select your payment method. If you have PayPal or another card like MasterCard or Visa, you can select them and fill your information. If you do not have, just like me, select now. After that, type your billing address. If you have, you can actually add your personal information. If you do not have, you can actually get the random billing address from the internet. And here we are, Apple ID is completed. Again, touch the get to download the random app, enter your password, and wait until the app is fully downloaded. And after that, open the app and you can see everything is perfect and works. And congratulations, we did it with each other. This is your new Apple ID. Enjoy it, my friend. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget that please subscribe my channel and hit the bell, and like this video and share it with your friends with another educational video. See you soon guys, be careful of yourself, goodbye.